Hello traders, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video for next week. So in this video, we are going to analyze gold chart on different time frames, and we are going to check important price action levels and structures that currently gold is following, so that we can utilize those levels in next week for finding possible buy and sell opportunities. So as usually, before going into the price action, we are going to check the latest change in positions of the managed money from the COT report. For this particular week, if we check the change in positions of the managed money over here, you can see that the managed money, they are still adding positions into the long side. So this week they added a very good number into the long side. They also decreased their short positions by a small number. But if we check the overall 6-month range for the managed money for this particular period, you can see that the net long positions, these blue bars, they are still within this high level. So there is no new fresh positions added for this particular 6-month range, and we already seen a very good bullish run on gold price. So for this particular COT report, we have to wait for more evidence, because in previous week we have seen that the managed money, they were decreasing their long positions, but for this particular week they again started to add into the long side. So for clear sentiment from the COT, we have to wait for 1 or 2 more weeks to see how they're going to behave, because this addition is just showing a hedging type of sentiment but not showing any clear bullish or bearish sentiment. So we have to wait for more data from the COT. Now let's move on to the price action, and if we check the price action on daily time frame, this is the overall sentiment on daily time frame that I am expecting. I already shared on Telegram channel also. So as you can see, we have seen a very good bull run on gold, and gold printed a new all-time high in previous week. So from the current price action, if we see this candle, this Thursday candle, this is showing some shooting star type of pattern, and again into the Friday trading session we have seen a follow-up red candle. So if price stays under this high, we can expect a down move, and the down move can extend like this toward this level around 2900 psychological level. So yes, overall from the price action point of view, what we can consider, let me show you on 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame, if we check the price action, I already shared this chart on Telegram channel also. Those who following me in Telegram, they knows that the price was trading under this pattern, head and shoulder pattern. On Friday, price break down this pattern with a very good bearish candle on 1 hour time frame, and now price is trading below to this previous support, which is going to act as a resistance now. So what we can consider, I think selling on intraday seems to be more favorable, and I think we can look for the sell toward lower level like this. And into the higher side, what we have to do, we have to watch this level for intraday. If price break out here on 1 hour or on 4 hour, and if sustain, then price can make a high like this toward this area. But under 3040, if price fail to sustain above this level, we can expect a down move. So what is the level into the downside that we have to watch? Let me show you. So if we check the order flow and volume profile on daily time frame, this is the volume footprint chart. So what are the levels that we can watch into the lower side? So on daily time frame, This is the major support area that we have to watch. It is around 2960. It is a imbalance, bullish imbalance or FVG area. From here, if price break down and close below to this low, this is a good confirmation, because the level of 3000, that is the psychological support, if price close below this, like if day candle close below this level, then a further down move is possible and price can test this level in coming days. And if breakdown, then more down move is possible toward this another FVG around 2925, this around here, then again to the psychological support level. So overall, as per the current price action, it is showing that sell is more favorable, because we have seen a very good bullish movement, and we can, I think, look for a pullback to rebuy at these levels. And for buying, what we have to watch, if you want to buy, either wait for a good pullback at this level or lower level, and for breakout buying, I think we have to wait for a confirmation close above to this level 3060. If candle close above this level on daily time frame, yes, we have to watch this on daily time frame. If candle close on this time frame, on this level, and if sustain above this level like this, like 1 or 2 days, then I think we are going for another bull run on gold. But that seems to be very unlikely, as we have seen a good pullback in Thursday and on Friday. So I think we might going down like this toward this level, and then more down move is possible. So overall, on intraday, I think a pullback is possible as per the price action on daily and on intraday time frame. On weekly time frame, what are the levels that we have to watch for next week? So let me switch it to weekly time frame. On weekly, the pivot point is 3021 around the recent closing. The first support is at 2985. The second support is at 2946, and the third support is 2909. Into the higher side, the resistance is 3060 and then 306. So these are the levels that we have to watch carefully. So overall, we are going to wait for a pullback for a rebuy. But on breakout, and if price sustain on higher levels, then only we can plan buying. So these are the levels, and this is the overall sentiment on price action. So we are going to discuss more about the levels and the live market sentiment in Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.